everyone, welcome back again. So today I have come up with another opportunity that is going to be very exciting and very interesting for all those candidates who really wanted to pursue their career in the field of sciences and technology. And if you are among one of them, then this video is for you. So all you have to do is just stay tuned and connected as I'm going to share every information and details regarding this Swarna Jayanti Fellowship schemes. So let's get started with the video and see all the things regarding this fellowship. So firstly, we'll see about Swarna Jayanti Fellowship scheme. So this scheme was launched for the PhD degree holders. So those who have completed their PhD in the field of sciences, engineering or medicine, so they can go and apply for this Swarna Jayanti Fellowship scheme, whereas special assistance is given to the PhD candidates that is given by the Government of India to pursue their research in the frontier areas of sciences and technology. Now, what are the highlights of this Swarna Jayanti Fellowship scheme? So, the name of this scheme is Swarna Jayanti Fellowship, which is launched by the Government of India. This is launched for scientists. So, scientists is given a financial support to carry out all the research in the field of S&T. And the ministry who is supporting this fellowship is Ministry of Sciences and Technology, and the department is Department of Sciences and Technology. So, if you want to get more details and information regarding this and when the application is open, so you can just visit this DST website and we will get everything regarding this Swarna Jayanti Fellowship. And the duration that is given, this fellowship is given, it's for 5 years, where you will be given a financial support that is a monetary basis, and apply mode will be online. So you have to apply for this application, and the official website is, you can visit for dst.gov.in, or you can either go for SERB, that is Science and Engineering Research Board.gov.in. Now, what are the benefits of this Swarna Jayanti Fellowship scheme? So, every month you will be getting a stipend of Rs 25,000 per month in addition to the salary drawn from the parent institute for a period of 5 years. So, for the period of 5 years, you will be given a fellowship of Rs 25,000 per month. So, for this, to avail this type of fellowship, a scientist or a PhD degree holder, they should have some kind of lab to perform this or to carry out this research. The selected fellow and their project will be funded by SERB as per the norm. So who will give this funding? And it will be funded by SERB. So you have to visit the SERB website, or you can either visit DST for all the details regarding this SJF fellowship. Now, what is the eligibility criteria and who can apply for this fellowship? So, if you are an Indian applicant, you can go for this fellowship, but you should possess a PhD degree in the field of sciences, engineering as well as medicine. And your age group should not be below 30 and it should not be above 40. So, the age group should be between 30 to 40 years. You should have a regular position in a recognized Indian academic or research organization, means you should be possessing some kind of lab that you are working there and you have sub lab to pursue this kind of research. So applicants should not be drawing fellowship from any other scheme of Government of India. So you should be ensure that you are not taking any kind of fellowship from any Government of India scheme, so that you will get this Swarna Jayanti Fellowship scheme. The project should contain innovative research idea, and the research that you are about to perform, it should be very novel, it should be innovative, and you will carry out this research. The project should have the potential of making an impact on R&D, and it should also create some positive impact on research and development, and you should establish some novel findings out of your research. Now, what are the documents required that is needed to complete this Swarna Jayanti Fellowship scheme? Firstly, during the time of application, you will be requiring address proof of a candidate, that is in the form of, you can either upload your passport or any driving license. All mark sheets and certificates of higher qualifications are needed, right from your MSc, your PhD, every degree is needed. So all you have to do is you have to scan all your certificates and you have to make a PDF copy of it. Also, you will be needing your birth certificate, ID card that is issued by the parent institute. So where you are working, you have to show that ID card, you have to upload so as to ensure that you are working somewhere and you are employed. And also, you will be needing a PAN card or a Aadhaar card of yours, and also the specific mark sheets of the qualifying exam. So if you are uploading for MSc, so you have to scan all the MSc first, second and third and fourth semester mark sheet. You have to take all your scan copy of PhD degree as well. So now coming to the application process, what should be the application process? So for this, you have to visit the DST online portal, and beforehand you have to submit all your application and you have to complete the registration process. So once the link is available and the portal is online, so you can go and apply for this Swarna Jayanti Fellowship scheme. But before this, you have to complete your registration. So just you have to visit the official website of the DST online portal, and from the web page of the portal, you have to look over the link. So you will be getting a new link that is called as new PI registration. So you have to click that option from the menu bar. Once you click this option, you will find the details where you have to provide the details of yours, and you have to provide your login ID, means you have to log in for the first time. So you have to provide your title, name, date of birth, gender, department, designation, right where you are working, Aadhaar number, your category, institute or institute address. So this is all about the registration that you have to do beforehand. This fellowship link is available. So just you have to submit an application, you have to verify it. How you have to verify it? After submitting all these things, you will be getting OTP on the email address. So just you have to open your email and you have to verify all these things and you have to complete the registration. Once the registration is done, now you have to log in with the password and ID, and you have to check and see for the application if the portal is open. Once the portal is open, you can look for the scheme and hit the apply button, and now you have to apply for this. You have to complete the form where you have to upload all your documents that we have discussed in the previous slide, and now you have to submit this form. And finally, the application is submitted. Make sure you have to submit this application before the closing date. Now coming to the important dates that can be tentative. So these dates are tentative. So if you want to look for the next year Swarna Jayanti Fellowship, so for this year it is already done. And if you're looking for the next call, so it will be on the month of February, that is in the next year 2023. So these are tentative months. So this is just a tentative date. The start date to seek application, it should be on the month of February 2023, and the result will be declared in the month of July. Again, these are tentatives. So you have to wait after your application, after your interview. So everything you have to wait and see for the results. That too will be uploaded on the SERB as well as DST website. So this is all about the Swarna Jayanti Fellowship, where we have discussed the eligibility criteria, for what it is used and what all stipends you will get, what are the documents you need to upload, how to check for this application, what is the registration process, how to apply for this, everything about this fellowship. If you have any doubt, you can post your doubts in the comment box. Thank you for watching this session. If you like the session, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, that is Biotecnika. Meet you in the next video. Until next time, this is your host Riya from Biotecnika. Thank you everyone. Keep learning.